Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Love Imjing Villarian. Today I'm going to share with you how to make crab salad. This is all our ingredients to use. We have here the iceberg, our sauce, orange, cucumber, our crab, carrots, cherry tomato. Now this is our iceberg. We put our cucumber. Next our carrots. Next our cherry tomato. And here our sauce, we have here mustard, mayonnaise, olive oil, and honey, and a bit of salt, and black pepper, just a pinch of black pepper. And now we're gonna mix them well to combine the sauce inside with our iceberg. Just mix it well to spread the cucumber and our carrots. This is so easy, healthy, and yummy recipe. Hope guys you try for this in your house. Just mix. Just mix it well. Now I'm going to put our crab, but just I put half because the remain we need to put it in the top. Now I'm going to put in the top, just like that guys, so simple. And we put our orange. That's it. Happy eating. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell para updated kayo sa next kong upload. Hope you try this in your home. I'm sure you like it. You enjoy. Bye bye. See you next upload.